Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a room tour. Let's get started. Okay, so when you first walk into my room, this is what you see. Okay, so this is my bed. The comforter is purple and I have a teal pillow because those are my two favorite colors. And then over here I have a flip sequin owl and this sign that says love and another owl. And then up here I have a bunch of lights. And then in here I have a tissue box and this dog that can like shake its head. And then I have a picture and a dreamer. And then over here is my alarm clock and then a lamp. And then here I have this like beanbag chair. I just have a bunch of teddy bears and stuff in it. And then down here, if you pull the blanket up, I have these two drawers. And here I just have a bunch of books. And then in this one, I just have an extra blanket. And then over here is my dresser. I just have a bunch of clothes inside. Yeah. And then on top, I have just a bunch of pictures and this calendar unicorn thing that says magic is all around us, and then what you do is just arrange the box to put the date that you're on. And then over here I have this little drawer thing, and then on top I have a Google Mini. And then here I have this flower, and then I have a bunch of journals and notebooks and flashcards too. And then over here I have a dream catcher that I made myself. And then here is a picture of my bird. And here is just a bulletin board that's purple and teal. Again, my favorite two colors. And then over here is just a box which I put like a bunch of stuff in, some extra books. I also have a lot of school stuff in here. And I have some more art supplies and stuff. And then over here is my window. Yeah. And then here is my desk. I have another notebook. And then here I have this cup where I just put a bunch of pencils and yeah. And then here I have some tape and I have a geometry set, some colored pencils and markers. And then in this box thing, I just have a bunch of pens, some highlighters and markers, and I have more highlighters up here. You see them? And then I have this cup with a bunch of scissors and glue. And then I also have some Sharpies here. And then I have my earbuds in this pouch. And then over here I have this Rubik's Cube, some Post-it notes, and a fidget spinner. And then over here I have this picture of my family and a globe. And I also have this really cool airplane thing that I got at a museum. You like put it back and then it just goes. So yeah. And then here I have a stapler and this puzzle block thing. Okay, yeah, and then here I have this painting that I made with my sister. And then that's my calendar. So underneath my desk, I have some crayons, which is in here. And then I also have some extra colored pencils. And then over here is my trash can. And then over here is a teal rug that I really like because it's teal. And then here is my mirror. I have some lights over it, and then here I have one picture of me. I haven't put any pictures in any of the other things yet, but yeah. And then the thing really good about this mirror is that when you open it, there's like a bunch of space that you can like put your jewelry, earrings, headband, bracelets, necklaces, and a bunch of other stuff. And then over here is my closet. I have all my clothes. And then up there I have some swimsuits and some extra stuff that I need for the winter. And then I also have some extra backpacks. And then down here I have this little drawer thing. I just put some art supplies and extra supplies that I have. And then over here I just have my sleeping bag. So over here I have this drawing that I made right next to my closet. It's of this robin. I decorated it using this glittery sticker thing. So yeah, and then over here on my door I have this rack of hooks. I could just put all my jackets on it. So yeah, and I think that's it for this room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!